Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn how to solve problems involving mean, median, and mode.
Here in this example, it says that a group of children were asked to state the number of stuffed toys each one has. So if you look at the table, you will see that there are 8 children with no stuffed toys, X number of children with only 1 stuffed toy, 15 children with 2 stuffed toys, and 7 children with 3 stuffed toys. So the question A says if the mode is 1, right? So the mode is 1 means that most number of children have only 1 stuffed toy. So what is the smallest possible value of X? For 1 to be the mode, it means that X has to be the largest number in terms of number of children, right? So we can see here that the next largest is 15. So therefore, X must be anything that is more than 15. But the question asks for the smallest X. So X has to be 16. Next, let's look at the second question. The second question says the median is 2. What is the largest possible value of X? So if the median is 2, so again, first we need to understand what this data set is trying to tell us. It's trying to tell us that we have 8 zeros. Okay, so we have a lot of zeros, altogether 8 of them, followed by 1. Okay, X number of ones, followed by 2, 15 of them, and then followed by 3, okay, 7 of them. Okay, so this is what the data set is trying to tell us. If the median is 2 and I want to find the largest possible value of X, again, what this simply means is that I need to have as many ones as possible because X is the number of ones. So for this to happen, it means that I must have a large number of data points over here in front of the 2, which is the median. How many data points are there behind these 2? So you can see that there are 15 2's, right? If this is the median, okay, that means there are 14 2's left and 7 3's. So altogether, there are 21 data points behind the median, which means that there must be 21 data points in front of the median. Since the median cuts the data set into 2 equal halves, there must be an equal number of data points in front and behind the median. So, since there are 8 zeros, how many ones should there be, right? So in this case, right, my largest X has to be 21 minus away 8 because 21 is really the largest possible number of data points that I can have in front of the median 2. So I already have 8 zeros, so I need to subtract that away. And so 21 minus 8, you have 13. So the largest X is 13. Next, we go on to question C. If the mean is 1.5, calculate the value of X. How do we get mean? We have to take 8 children times 0, right? They have 0 stuffed toys. X children have 1 stuffed toy. 15 children have 2 stuffed toys. 7 children have 3 stuffed toys. So this will give me the total number of stuffed toys the children have. Then divide this by the total number of children, which is 8 plus X plus 15 plus 7. That is your total number of children. And this will be equal to the mean of 1.5. So I will need to solve this equation. 8 times 0 is simply 0. Then I have x times 1, which is x. 15 times 2, which is 30. 7 times 3, which is 21. Divided by my denominator here, I have 8 plus 15 plus 7, which is 30 plus x equals to 1.5. 1.5 is 1.5 over 1. So in order to solve this equation, I can cross multiply. So you can see here that I would have 1 time of x plus 30 plus 21 equals to 1.5 times of 30 plus x. So let's simplify this. We have x plus 30 plus 21 is 51. Then we need to distribute the 1.5, multiply it to the 30 plus x. So here I'm going to have 1.5 times 30, which is 45, plus 1.5x. So let's try to solve this equation. We can solve this equation easily by subtracting the 1.5x on both sides. So I have x minus 1.5x. And then I can subtract 51 on both sides. So now I'm left with 0.5x equals to negative 6. So my x would be negative 6 divided by negative 0.5. And this would give me 12. So my x would be equal to 12. Now we go on to do question D. Question D says if the value of x is 5. So now question D tells you that x is equal to 5. We need to calculate the percentage of children. So this question is asking you for percentage of children who have less than 2 stuffed toys. So the students that have less than 2 stuffed toys would be here, right? Okay, 8 plus x, but x is equal to 5. So to get the percentage, you simply need to take the number of children that have less than 2 stuffed toys, which is 8 plus x, but x is 5, so it's 8 plus 5. Then divide by the total number of children. The total number of children is 8 plus 5 plus 15 plus 7. So 8 plus 5 plus 15 plus 7. So that is the total number of children. I want to convert this into a percentage so I can work out my answer with a calculator. 13 divided by 35, and then you multiply it by 100%. You get 37.1% corrected to 3SF.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more Ninja level math videos.